Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Everything is beginning to take shape one way or the other. Things are happening. Imo State is in the radar again, and experts are calling out Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, over so many tension that is going on in Imo State right now. But before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. All right, let's go straight into the news. Reactions have continued to trail the current security situation in Imo State, with its resultant loss of lives and valuables. Earlier reported the attack on Sunday at the police divisional headquarters, that's Oji in Owerri, where 4 motorists were shot, including the State Commissioner for Skills Acquisition and Entrepreneurship, that's Ike Ome. Report also had it that at the late hours of Monday, not less than 6 policemen were shot dead at Okigwe South Zonal Political Command, Oriago in Ehime Mbano local government area of Imo State, and the command raised at gunpoint. Experts, activists, politicians, and other residents of Owerri, the state capital, who spoke to our correspondent, described the situation as most worrisome. The national president of Igbo National Council Worldwide, that's INC, Chilos Gossett, while reacting to the situation, put the blame on the government, accusing it of handling the trend with kids' bluff. He said that the governor, Senator Hope Uzodinma, as well as other Southeast governors, have sabotaged the zone over a pot of yam porridge by dancing to the tune of the Fulanis for one selfish interest or the other. Hear him. The situation here is unwarranted and alarming. Not a day that passes without the sound of a gunshot or killing. The unknown gunmen, that's UGM, have gone as far as setting the state's correctional center and the governor's ancestral home ablaze. All this happened within a space of 2 to 3 weeks. If the bandits could attack the governor's ancestral house successfully, how much more the unarmed civilians on the street? Something serious needs to be done, and done quickly, to prevent more loss of lives. In his reaction, the Director General of Imo State PDP New Media, that's Collins Opuruzo, attributed the uproar to the rising youth unemployment in the state. He recalled that at the end of Senator Hope Uzodinma's 1 year in office, the unemployment level of the state had soared to 33.3%, as over 2.9 million employable youths are completely out of job, naming the state as the unemployment capital in the country. He said that the governor is busy chasing shadows to the detriment of the millions of Imo people whose lives are at risk. Oburuzo added further that the governor should stop shifting blame to the opposition and some self-determination groups. He should stand to his feet and confront the security challenges head on. If a governor is incapable of protecting the lives of those he elected, those who elected him, then he should resign honorably. Imo people will no longer tolerate this. It is becoming quite unbearable, he said. A retired army captain, that's David Mbamara, has urged the Imo State government to thoroughly investigate the root cause of the repeated attacks in the state, rather than accusing the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, of being responsible for all the attacks in recent times. The Imo-born social activist, who turned out to be the founder of Fair Haven Security Nigeria Limited, further said that the government, both at the state and federal levels, have failed to address the issue of youth unemployment, which, according to him, should be the greatest check against insecurity. When the people are gainfully employed and are provided with good welfare package, there won't be any trace of violence. Unfortunately, the government has failed in this aspect, so what do you expect? The cost of living is high. People have no jobs to fend for themselves. The people are not happy, yet the government is keeping mum over this. It is an unfortunate situation. Another Imo son, who is a lecturer of microbiology in Imo State University, who pleaded anonymity, said that the worst is yet to come if the government fails to address the issue of youth redundancy. Imo is a state that produces a large number of graduates annually, and there are no jobs for them. Not that 10 not not Note that 10 jobless graduates are 10 criminals, and so it goes. Government should provide job opportunities for the teeming unemployed youth. Until this is done, the restiveness will continue to creep like the Hamatan fire. A cross-section of traders in Amakohia Modern Market, Owerri, said that the situation has kept them in perpetual fear as no one knows when the enemies will strike. A butcher in the market, who also refused being mentioned, said that the attack by the UGM has become the order of the day. He said that the fear of the UGM has kept everyone at alert, even as they are marketing their wares. If I begin to tell you how many armed robbery and kidnapping incidents that has taken place just in Amakohia in the space of 1 week, you will marvel. Nobody is safe here. We are living by the grace of God. A few days ago, a woman was kidnapped in a nearby street, and minutes after, some robbers went to Akwankuma and dispossessed people of their belongings. What I'm not sure about is if we actually have a government or security agent in the state. The governor is busy chasing shadows while his people die every day. This is an ugly trend that needs to be stopped immediately in order to save the lives of the people. Government should act fast and stop blaming the opposition. Nigeria right now, I don't know what will happen eventually, but the way Nigeria is going, everybody has to be careful. Oh. Security is everybody's business. If you're living in Nigeria and you are just living your life by chance, things are happening, and it looks as if even our security agents are overwhelmed. Overwhelmed in the sense that we have heard what UGM can do. They can just stay at checkpoints. They themselves go on self. They are soft targets. Like the cross section of opinions that went out. They said if the ancestral home of the chief security officer can be burnt down, then the common man who have no arms, who have no series of security agents or security personnel guarding him, what is his fate? His fate is simply what will be, will be. And this is not what we bargained for. And honestly, if we continue with the propaganda, we're just giving lip service. Don't worry, we're working on something and nothing is being done. Oh my God. Much as we pray for one Nigeria, but it's only those who will live that will enjoy the one Nigeria, right? So all our security agents, all our elected officers should be up and running. When I mean up and running, they should start wearing their thinking cap and see how they can correct this phenomenon that's become a precedent, has become a way of life. Because the truth of the matter is, for how long will they keep looting, plutocracy keep taking place, and the youth are unemployed, underemployed, and there's no employment anywhere for the youth. They keep saying, don't worry, when you grow up, you occupy. The youth is the future of tomorrow. The future is here, and the youth have not still become the leaders of tomorrow. And you think they will keep quiet? The restiveness is getting higher.